Want to see your child on stage with a captivating presence. But how? What's the way up there? वो ऑडियंस में बैठने से स्टेज तक पहुंचने का सफर ऐसे ही तय नहीं होगा. दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, चीजों को एक यूनिक तरीके से देखने का पर्सपेक्टिव, द कंटेंट दैट रेजोनेट्स विद द ऑडियंस, या जो ऑडियंस को सोते सोते जगा दे, वो डिलीवरी स्टाइल दैट टर्न्स योर चाइल्ड इनटू अ स्पीकर टू रिमेंबर, दैट एम्बिशन to create an imprint on the minds of the listeners, viewers, spectators requires real, constant efforts, direction, and mentorship. 21st century cannot be won over without the skill of effective communication and debating. And those who realize this early will always be ahead of their peers. Hello, dear parent. I am Swati, a Cambridge certified soft skills trainer. Having an experience of 8 years and having taught nearly 500 students and helped them ace their public speaking journey, I'm here with 3 new batches on the art of effective debating. The first batch begins on the 2nd of February, the second batch on the 5th of Feb, and the third one begins on the 7th of February. So here we are catering to students from 6 to 17-year-olds. If your child feels hesitant or is shy in meeting new people, does not express his emotions openly, or does not have the confidence to share his opinion or give his decisions, then this program is exactly what you require. Out of the various topics and things that will be covered in this program, some of the highlights would be the basic debate concept. That is the basic understanding about what debate is, why it's important, and what all is incorporated in this entire envelope cloud of debating. Second is the debate vocabulary. Yes, my dear friends, debating does require usage of a particular kind of vocabulary, according to the situation you are in, according to the topic that you are covering in your debate. Number 3 is the debating body language. Yes, how to show assertiveness on the stage, how to ensure that your non-verbals are also in sync with your words, with your speech, with what you are presenting. Non-verbals have a great role to play, and that is what we teach your kid here in this program. Number 4, role of apt pauses and intonations. It's not just about how speedy you are, but even to know where to pause, where to have that high tone and where to go low is an art in itself. And when the pauses, the speed, the breaking of monotony of the tone are synced, it's only then that the audience is awakened. Number 5, how to research a topic. Yes, now, when we are here in this program on debating, we do not ask the learner to have everything created, everything self-composed. No. Now, using the internet, a great resource that we have at our disposal, is also an art in itself. And that is what we train kids here for. Creation of speech. How to ensure that the thoughts you have are structured, that there's a coherence between your ideas, between the various topics you've covered, between the various anecdotes, instances, humorous tales that you've quoted, or the questions, rhetorics that you have used. To bring in that sync, we train you, we guide you, we direct you, and mentor your child. Now, what is debate without the counter questioning? When we talk about counter questioning, there is a subtle, assertive, and diplomatic way of doing things. So that etiquette of counter questioning is what we teach you here in this program. Now, when debating has a particular vocabulary, so does the rebuttal. So in rebuttal, what kind of language to use, how to counter question, how to raise a point, how to pinpoint your opponent is something that needs to be learned. Now, when we talk about debating, it's not restricted to any particular theme. So debating can be regarding anything under the sky. So yes, we do cover various topics, various themes in this program, wherein the children are actually trained as to what kind of research goes into the different themes that they'll be talking about or they'll be presenting. Now, outcome-based learning. That is one thing that we are very particular about. And how do we assess the growth, the result of our learners? It's through competitions, through activities. So, a regular feedback is given to the parents, to the learners, and to the mentors in order to ensure that the direction being taken by all three parties involved is correct. So get a free assessment session done for your child today in order to know what the current level of your child is. Our batch size is pretty small with a size of 1:4 teacher-student ratio in order to ensure individualized attention. So what are you waiting for? Our seats are limited and the batches are filling in fast. Get a free assessment session done for your child today. Yes, dear parent, you do not think so much. Pick up your phones and reserve a spot for your child today. This investment today is something you'll thank yourself for in the future. Hurry up, it's time to future-proof your child. See you on the other side. Take care, ta-da!